Hello everyone, this is Michael coming to you from Lexington, South Carolina. It's about 10:30 right now. It's about 31 degrees, and I'm going to show you the impact from Winter Storm Jasper. As you can see, we have plenty of snow accumulation on the ground. Um, Lexington had um, Lexington had, I believe it was 2.7 inches, and the Columbia Metropolitan Airport reported 2 inches, where from the snow has accumulated. The snow began about 9 o'clock last night, and it came down pretty heavy at times, and um, and there was some light snow all the way up until about 12 or 1 o'clock in the morning. And we're just taking a look at all of the snow. Highs today will be in the lower 40s, so some of this will melt, but then tonight it's going to get below freezing again, and the morning low will be in the the morning low will be in the lower to mid 20s, so there will be some refreezing in the morning on the roadways. Yeah, but 2.7 inches at Lexington and 2 inches at the Columbia Metropolitan Airport. This is the first um, snow accumulation of 1 inch or greater here since 2014. The first accumulating snow of 1 inch or greater since 2014. So I'm just out here enjoying the snow. I'm gonna be out here all day enjoying the snow. This sure is a great um, a great day here. This is a nice winter wonderland, and I am certainly going to enjoy every moment of this. We waited for so long on this to happen. I mean, we waited years to finally get some great snow again, and this is just, I tell you, this is really something else. I'm so happy this pulled through for us. um, this is just wonderful here. Um, After so long, it finally happened. It finally happened. We finally got some more snow. um, it's truly it's a very exciting day with Winter Storm Jasper. Wow, this was a good one here. This was a good one. This is a good one here. It is just so breathtaking to look at all the wonderful snow. I still can't believe it. I really can't, I can't believe it. This finally happened. It finally happened. So, praise the Lord. This has finally happened. Alright, so again, our first 1 inch or greater snow since 2014. And I'm going to enjoy this all day. This is going to be all day. Um, for sure. Absolutely. Wow. Just wow. Just wow. I am so, like, wow. I'm just stunned. This is wonderful here, y'all. Um, well, I hope everybody enjoys the snow. Um, Everybody enjoy Winter Storm Jasper. And, I'm going to be out here enjoying this all day. Um, it's a wonderful day in Lexington, South Carolina. All right, everyone. Well, y'all have a great day.